Hi friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to make Andhra style avakaya pickle. This pickle is loved by everybody in South India, and this is a seasonal pickle and it can be stored up to a year or more than a year. Let's see the ingredients. I'm going to show this pickle for 25 mangoes. I'm taking 25 mangoes and I'm going to show the ingredients and the quantity for 25 mangoes. First, we'll have to cut the mangoes like this. So it has to be in cubes and evenly cut. And after you cut, you'll have to remove the thin layer, tiny layer that would be there above the mangoes. And then you'll have to wipe it and dry it and keep it. And there should not be any moisture in this mango. So the quantity I'm giving here is for 25 mangoes. So I'm taking 1 kg of chili powder, and this should be Guntur chili powder. Along with this, we are taking 1 kg of mustard seeds, and we are going to grind it along with 2 spoons of fenugreek seeds. You just have to dry roast fenugreek seeds and then grind it along with the mustard. You don't have to dry roast the mustard. Along with this, we are taking 2 spoons of turmeric powder and 1 kg of rock salt powdered in a mixer. Do not use the common table salt because it will not give you the right measurement for your pickle. I'm taking 2 liters of gingerly oil. You can either use gingerly oil or you can either use groundnut oil. So we'll have to heat the oil first, and when the oil is hot, you'll have to add 2 spoons of asafoetida. You can use the powdered asafoetida or the cube ones, and then you'll have to cool this oil before you're going to add it to the pickle. Do not add hot oil, otherwise your pickle will get spoiled. I'm taking half a kg of garlic. You don't have to peel the skins. You just wash it, dry it, and use the garlic as it is. Now let's see the step-by-step process in making this pickle. So now the oil is cooled down. To this oil, I'm going to add the masala mixtures. First, the chili powder. I'm adding the entire 1 kg of chili powder into this oil. So I'm just taking 1.5 liters oil initially. So 1 liter of oil I'm using to add these masalas, and then half a liter of oil I'm going to use to dip the mango pieces. Now I'm adding the mustard and fenugreek mixture to this. Just stir it so that the mixture gets mixed, and then we are going to add salt to this. So 1 kg of salt is being added to this. So that is the measurement that I've given for 25 mangoes. Now we are going to add the turmeric powder and then going to mix it completely. After mixing it, take a wide bottomed vessel and then add this masala mixture to the bottom. Just add a layer, and then we are going to dip the mango pieces in the remaining gingerly oil. We have taken half a liter separately, so we are going to dip it in that and add to this masala mixture. So add a layer of mangoes to the masala that we have already added in the vessel, and then continue the procedure again by adding further few more pieces, and then add the masala mixture on top to another layer, and then continue the process again till your mango and the masala is completely gone. See, now I'm adding the next layer of masala. Then I'm again going to dip the mango pieces in the oil and add it to this. So why I'm separately doing it layer by layer and dipping the mango pieces in the oil separately, and the masala I've already mixed with oil separately, is because you do this process, your mangoes doesn't get soft when you're storing it for 1 year. So your mangoes will be hard and nice and juicy even for 1 year if you follow this process, and your pickle doesn't get spoiled. Now to this I'm adding 250 grams of garlic, and we are going to mix the entire contents thoroughly along with the remaining masala that we have. So after mixing all this thoroughly, we're going to transfer this mixture to a dry glass bottle or a metal bottle or a bottle like this. So it should be wide and it should be dry and clean. You always take such bottle, do not take any steel vessel, because steel will attract with salt and it will get spoiled. So now we are adding the mango contents to this vessel and we're going to fill this bottle. It's very simple to make this pickle. Now see, isn't it looking very juicy and nice? And our pickle is not yet over. This is just the first part of the pickle. And so you see this is very dry and the masala is completely got mixed and everything, but this is not over. So we are going to cover this and leave it for 3 days. So in 3 days the oil, the masalas and the mangoes would get evenly mixed, and this dry looking pickle will become little juicy and the oil will start floating on top. So I'm going to cover this with a lid, and after covering it with the lid you'll have to tightly close it with a cloth on top of it. Otherwise air, water or dust, if it gets inside, your pickle will get spoiled and you cannot store it for 1 year. Hygiene is very important when you make this pickle. So I'll see you after 3 days. Friends, after 3 days we're going to open this pickle. Let's see how it looks. I was very eager to see how it looks. See, it looks nice and delicious. It's got little soft, you look. So now I'm going to take this to another container so that we'll mix everything evenly and we'll check if the salt and oil is enough and sufficient for this pickle. So now I see the salt is sufficient for this pickle, while I see that the oil is a little less, because I told you that I'm going to add half a liter oil that I've already taken in the 2-liter measure. So now we're going to add that oil. So we have already heated this oil 3 days back and we have warmed it and we have stored it. So now we are going to add that oil to this and we're going to stir it and again transfer it to this container. So after you transfer this contents to this jar, your pickle is ready and it is ready to be stored and used for 1 year. All that you'll have to do is maintain some kind of hygiene so that it doesn't get spoiled. Cover it with a lid and again with a cloth, and then store it in a dry place. Do not repeatedly open, just take the contents as much you need in another bottle and then use it. Friends, you'll feel happy and satisfied when you make this pickle. All that you'll have to keep in mind is the measurements. I've shown you the measurements for 25 mangoes. In case you're using more, you just have to double the measurements. For 50 mangoes, you'll have to double the measurements. I've shown 1 kg for 25. You'll have to take 2 kg of all the ingredients for 50 mangoes. Do like, share and subscribe if you like this video. Bye bye.